Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solution Provider, a complete course on CATIA. In this video, we will learn how to create a custom plane apart from the three planes we have, front, top and side, and we will learn how to create a point and a line in the 3D space. So we can use the multi-section solid command and multi-section removal command. So we need to switch into the wireframe and surface design. So before going into this workbench, I need to create one solid component using the part design workbench. So first we will create one rectangle and a circle on the top plane, and we will give dimensions. I will create a centered rectangle, or I will better say a square, and I will create 100 by 100. Then I will create one circle, diameter will be 50. And we will use a multipad command, so we can give material to the multi-domain figure independently. I want it 25 and this will be 75. Now currently in this figure we have no points. We cannot create a point in the 3D space, we cannot create a line, and we cannot create a custom planes under the part design workbench. But or I need to create a sketch on a 45 degree from this surface. So I need to create a plane at 45 degree from this surface. So I need to switch into a wireframe and surface design so I can create a plane in the 3D space. So this is the interface of the wireframe and surface design, and this is the toolbar under which we have options point, line and plane, and you can check from insert, wireframe, points, line and plane. We have points and planes repetition, you can drop down and you can check. Under the plane we have two more options, and under the line we have two axes and polylines. All these features or the commands are available to use in the 3D space. So first we will learn how to create planes apart from these three planes. So you can go insert, wireframe, or you can select the plane, or you can directly select from here. Plane definition window will open. Under this we have plane types. In this we have options to create a new plane. The first option is offset from plane. The offset from plane means we will select one existing plane or a surface, and we will define the offset value, and the new plane will be created. Like if I select the side plane and the offset value will be 50 mm, the plane will be created 50 mm from the existing side plane, and you can reverse the direction in the plus side or a negative side. Okay. Or if I want to create a plane or if I want to create a plane from this surface in the upward direction 75 mm from this surface, I will select the plane command, offset from plane, I will give this as a reference surface, and I will select a value 75. Preview. Okay. Now this plane is offset from this surface at a value of 75. The second option in this is parallel through point. In the parallel through point, we need to select one reference surface or a plane, and we need to define a point for the location of plane. So it's like in this cylinder portion we do not have any point, so we need to create one custom point by using this point command. But in the rectangle or this cuboid, the corner will work as a point. So the reference will be this surface, and the corner point will be this. I will get a plane on this. Okay, and now I need to create a plane on this. So first I will create a point and select plane on curve. This is a curve. I will select this curve, and I want a point anywhere in this, and you can select a distance on the curve, or you can divide the curve in any ratio. Like I want to divide the ratio in 0.5. I will get a plane here, point here. Now I will select the plane, parallel through point, and the reference will be this, and the point will be this. I will get a point here. Or I will select this surface, and point will be this. I want a plane here. Next option is angle or normal to plane. In this we will create a new plane at a particular angle from the existing plane or a surface. Like I will create a plane 60 degree from this surface. So I will select the rotational axis will be the x-axis and the reference will be this surface. The angle will be 60 degree. Preview, and you can see a new plane is created here on near the universal coordinate system. But I want this plane should be on this surface, so I will select project rotation axis on the reference plane. Select this. Okay. Now you may see plane is selected. A new plane at a 60 degree. If we make a sketch on this surface, the sketch will be at 60 degree from the base or from this selected. I will create one rectangle. Exit. Now save. From this surface, the sketch is at 60 degree. This angle will be at 60 degree. So in this way, you can create any plane at a particular angle. The next option to create a plane is through 3-point. We need to define the 3 points and the plane will be parallel to the 3 points. So how we will create this? We need to select 3 points, like we will take first point, second point, or the third point we will take this point. Okay, and make sure the location of the plane will be depend upon the first point. Like I want this point will be the first, second and third. Now you may see. Okay, this is the plane, and what the angle of this plane is depend upon. I will make a wireframe for you. I will select the line by point definitions, where we have some more options we will learn in the later videos. First we will use point by point. So this is my first point and this is the corner. The line is created. Okay, and one more line I will create. Okay, we will create this wireframe by using the 3 points. The angle of the wireframe depend this one. Now see, this is the wireframe we have created by using the 3 points, and the plane is completely parallel or coincide with this wireframe. This is the 3-point method to create a plane. And what is the next method in this command is plane through 2 lines. We will learn this later. And the next one, the important one, is through a planar curve, normal to curve. Okay, select this normal to curve. We have curves like this. Circular is the curve, this line, this line. I want a plane parallel to this line. Select this line. Now I need to define the location on this line where I need to place a point. So I will right click here. I can create a custom point by using the right click method, or you can create a point by using this point method, or you can simply say that in the middle of this line. Okay, I will create a point. I will select this curve. On this curve I need to place a point, and on this where I need here. Okay, the plane is there only. Now we define the point for the location of this plane, and the plane is normal to this line. If I make any sketch, this will be normal to this line. We have covered all the important commands under the plane definition, how to create a plane in the 3D space, and we left with 2 or 3 options or the commands. We will cover these commands in the later videos when the use of those points will come, so for the better understanding and clarity. For this is end for today. If you feel any query while practicing these commands, you are free to ask. You can drop your question under the comment box. You can mail me while using my mail ID. In the next video, we will cover the points and the line command in the more explanatory way. Thank you very much.